Hey, Sharon here, and I just wanted to show you a tool I found online today. I'm so excited about. I love animated GIFs. I don't love the overuse of them, but I love them, and I wanted to create some today to walk through, to show some documents, but not have them on the screen long enough somebody could actually screen capture it. And so I did a search, and I found a tool called Giphy, Giphy.com. That's how I pronounce it. You might pronounce it a different way. But anyway, it's free for Macs. Simply go to Giphy.com. They'll give you a link to download it in the App Store. Once you download it, it's this simple. Check it out. You hit launch to launch the app. And then a screen shows up that you can resize to fit whatever size image you want to create. I'm going to show you real quick how to record a section of a video you might be watching. I'm going to hit play on the video. I'm going to hit record on the recorder. I'm going to let it play for 3 seconds and hit stop. I'm going to hit stop on the video. I love Lucille Ball. And now you can see it's added a new Giphy down here. You can click on it to edit it. You can trim the front. When it starts, you could trim the back. When it ends, you can change the loop type. You can even add captions. If you hit add captions, it'll give you an editor in the upper right hand corner to type in whatever you want it to say, to change the color, whatever. When you're done, go back to the options tab and either upload it to Giphy or click save as and save it on a location on your hard drive. That's it. It's that simple. That is the easiest way to make animated GIFs I've ever seen. And it's a free app for Macs. So if you're not a Mac user, sorry, but this one's really cool for Macs. Just thought I'd share. Hope you like it. Have a great day.